Okay, how's it going, everyone? So here is the Kawasaki Z900, and I have to say, just off the rip, it is hilariously comfortable. Like, this is just super comfortable. Hate the clutch. It is way too far in for me. Like, oh god, though, it's weird. Like, I'm flat-footing both feet. Yeah, it's sketchy. Ooh, I don't like how far. I don't like how far the, like, the shifter is. I think it's got a quick shifter. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna put all the necessary stuff in the description below. All of the, like, price and power and all that kind of stuff. But first impressions, super smooth, super comfortable. I hate the mirrors because obviously they're stock mirrors, so I'm not even gonna try and move them because that's pointless. Bars, pretty good length. This guy's all over all over the road. Don't like it. Do not like it. Do not like it. Do not like it. Do not like it. Very comfortable though. Very. It's got nice, like. I don't get it. This guy's just. He's just following right behind. But super cool. Like, the tank is way taller than mine. I don't know what it is. It feels a lot taller, but it's also skinny. Like, it's got great fucking just get up and go. Like, good just oomph. I don't know. I guess I don't really have to worry because the girl behind me is slow, but gear shifts feel nice. I hate this lever. It's super light. I don't get it. Like, it's just weird. My heel on my right hand side is hitting something. I want to say probably the, like, exhaust. And it's got typical stock folding rear sets, which I don't like. I'm trying to not ride behind this guy, but he's just all over the fucking place. It's annoying. Brakes feel good though. Little I don't know how you want to say it, a little squishy, but I'm also used to braided lines now, so it is a very skinny bike. I don't know what it is. Like, the tank is very, I don't know, very skinny. I like it though. It's very nice. Like, this is very nice. It's pretty much exactly what I expected from a brand new bike, or what it should be. I like the bars. I like how, you know, still a little bit of a kink to them, but not a ton. It doesn't feel like a big bike. You know, for a 900, it doesn't feel like it, like a 900 you'd think would feel. And I'm upshifting without the clutch because I'm pretty sure this has a quick shifter and it's just natural to me. Don't mind the styling. It's a little too what is all this area, but really good up and go, really good power. I mean, obviously it's a 900. It should have a lot of oomph, which is what you'd expect. Shifting feels good. Tank, I like the tank. I like how you sit in this bike. For being how aggressive it looks, you sit really far down. You're almost like in the bike. I don't know if that makes any sense to anyone, but just, it feels good. I like it. It's one of those, it's not, I don't know, it's brand new. This bike's got 2,945 miles on, 2,945 miles on it. God, I really hate this guy in front of me though. Just stay on the right side of the road. Like literally the right side, the correct and the orientation. I don't like where the exhaust is. I can feel it with my leg or my foot. Like I keep hitting it, but it's also the stock Kawasaki exhaust, which are just massive. Seats, nah, not all that uncomfortable. Not super comfortable either though. Bars are a little probably wide for what I would like. You know, good orientation. They're not super cranked in, but they're a little wide. Mirrors, again, whatever. They're the stock the stock mirrors. They are what they are. Like, if you want to see anything other than your shoulders, you're screwed. So you need those. I do like where the blinkers are in this though, where they're placed and how they're, you know, where they are. The screen's really nice. I will give it that. You look right down, it is big. You can see exactly what you'd want to see out of it. Yeah. Something just about the geometry of my legs is kind of uncomfortable. I don't know, not uncomfortable like rough, but just uncomfortable as in, I don't know. I'm used to a certain thing, I guess. And just putting around, we're running at 174 degrees, full tank of gas. We're in sport mode apparently, gear number 3. Still can't see anyone behind me because these mirrors are atrocious. It sounds good. I mean, even with like, this is a stock exhaust, so like you'd expect it to be quiet, but come on, man, stay on the fucking right side of the road. I'm trying to just like talk about the bike, and there's this guy just weaving. I mean, it feels good, like it moves well. It definitely has an exhaust note to it though, for being a stock exhaust and being how big they are. Like, yeah, you lean. Fucking leg out and everything, man. It's got good responsiveness. I'm assuming you can go through all of like mile, trip, battery, MPG 43, range, average speed 27, total time. I don't think I need to like, I'm so used to clutching up for second that if I'm correct on this, and I'll put it in the comments below, that if it does have a quick shifter, well, not comments below, I'll put it in the video. I don't like the seat. I'll give it that. The back of the seat makes you sit up, and it kind of forces you into the tank, which maybe that's how they want you to be oriented on this bike, but I like to be farther back. Still annoyed that I'm hitting my heel on the exhaust. I just constantly can feel it. Overall, I like it. I could definitely get used to it. I would definitely need a different seat though, or something, because I don't know, there's something about the like just the seat of it that is annoying. Nice power delivery though. I mean, that's instant. Third gear at like 4,000 RPMs, and just, that's instant power. I mean, obviously, again, for a 900, it should have some oomph. Let's just be honest about that. Again, mirrors suck. I can see the girl on my right, but that's just because it's like she's so far off to the left. I can't see anything out of my left mirror. Not even going to try. Not even going to try. I know they move, but like they are what they are. They're stock mirrors and they're horrible. Overall first impressions, just on this little bit of the ride so far, I'm going to say a nice 8. It's a nice 8 out of 10. Like the power, like the design, like the look, like the feel. It's super smooth. Hate this guy in front of me. It might not have a quick shifter. I don't know. That's a little bucky for me. Good front braking though. It's got a nice feel to it. Yeah, good 8 out of 10. This is a solid bike. I mean, obviously it's brand new, so it should feel nice, but I don't know. This is just really, it's got a good feel. I like it. I don't like the seating position. I don't know, there's something about it that's, I could almost stand to be more upright. I don't know if that makes, or more tall. Like if the seat was a little bit higher in the subframe, that would be a little bit more to my liking. But otherwise, it's super comfortable. Big good job on the Kawasaki though for this. This is a very nice bike. I mean, obviously the Z's like range has been out for a very long time, but yeah, very nice. I am very happy with this, especially being to test ride it. cool on Kawasaki for having demo days and like having a dealership around here that can bring one in. Not much on the handlebars, obviously. You know, they all have ABS, I've been told, so that's something neat. Just a good power delivery. It wants to go. I bet you if you really could take a day and fiddle with this, like actually go ride it somewhere where you're not just putting around behind people and stuff, you'd have a really good time. Okay, the shifter feels a little bit better there. That was fun. The shifter feels a lot better there. So under load, it might have some quick shifting, but slow first to second, jerky. Super fun though. Very, very much like this bike. Again, 8 out of 10. I don't like the seat, like where the seat is, and there's something on, like odd with the geometry of like the seating position for me. I'm not saying that's a bad thing for everyone. That's just for how my body fits in this bike. I don't like it. But as an overall, this is an awesome package. So there it is, Kawasaki Z900 with ABS. Red wheels and everything. Huh? Yeah, it feels nice.
I have them. And I was just seeing what this one was all about.
Yeah, it felt good. Yeah. A little more of the hooligan side of it.
Yeah, this is a little more